Hey there, welcome back to Laughing Frog. If you've been struggling with weight loss and feel like you've tried everything under the sun, you're definitely not alone. But before you throw in the towel, let's take a step back and talk about the top 5 things you should never do if you want to lose weight the right way. Number 5 on our list is skipping meals. Picture this, it's lunchtime, and you're so busy that you decide to skip your sandwich and chips. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Skipping meals might seem like a quick fix, but it can actually backfire. When you skip meals, your body goes into starvation mode, slowing down your metabolism. And guess what happens? You end up craving high-calorie foods, and before you know it, you're overindulging. Instead, focus on balanced meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism steady and your hunger in check. Coming in at number 4, relying on fad diets. Remember the juice cleanse that promised you'd lose 10 pounds in a week? Or that diet where you only eat cabbage soup? Sure, they might work in the short term, but they're not sustainable and often lack essential nutrients. Plus, once you go back to your normal eating habits, the weight usually comes right back. A better approach is adopting a well-rounded, nutritious diet that you can stick to long-term. Think whole foods, plenty of veggies, and a balance of protein, fats, and carbs. Number 3 is overexercising. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that more is always better. But pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout, injuries, and even hormonal imbalances. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Aim for a balanced fitness routine that includes both cardio and strength training, and don't forget to give your body time to rest and recover. At number 2, we have comparing yourself to others. It's easy to scroll through social media and see someone's transformation and think you should be there too. But everyone's journey is unique. Comparing yourself to someone else can lead to frustration and discourage you from celebrating your own progress. Focus on your personal goals and celebrate your own milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Progress is progress. And finally, at number 1, ignoring your mental health. Weight loss isn't just about what's on your plate, it's also about what's in your mind. Stress, anxiety, and emotional struggles can sabotage your efforts and affect your overall well-being. Make sure you're addressing your mental health, seeking support when needed, and finding ways to manage stress. A healthy mind supports a healthy body. So there you have it, the top 5 weight loss mistakes you should avoid at all costs. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is about making sustainable, positive changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Stay tuned for more great content and take care.